I don't know if the sound is working or not, but I'm just gonna talk. So, I've been having technical difficulties with my computer and certain streams I've been doing. I had a different one, but it's not working. I don't know why. So I have this one as a temporary one until I can get the one I was using to work. No, I did not quit YouTube. I'm just having issues with YouTube at the moment. There's nothing I can do about technical difficulties. So, yeah. Nothing at all. I can't say, oh, you're not allowed to have technical difficulties on this day, this day, and this day. But anyhow, I started school last week, so I've been busy with that. So that's kind of like another reason why I'm kind of like not been posting either, is because of that. And yeah, so I started school, trying to focus on school, but just give you guys an update. No, I did not quit YouTube. I'm just having issues with it at the moment. I'm going to work, and we won't have these issues anymore. Till then I can do so, and update to let you know that I did not quit YouTube. Just issues with it. That makes sense. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe. Please like, subscribe, rate, comment, and share. And we'll see you all in my next video, which will hopefully be later this week. Hey guys.